Welcome, this is Horrible Science Explosive Experiments. The kids. I am Charlie and this is Ben. Say hello.
Hello.
Not to me, to the camera.
Hello.
And today we're doing fantastic fireworks. Okay, so first we need a little bit of oil. I've already filled this up. So we need a little bit of oil in here. Just a little tiny bit. And then I would say you need to be very careful with the green because it's been very leaky for me. Okay? And I would recommend about 5 drops each. So 5 drops of the red, 5 drops of the green. I'll just...
Toy will green on you.
Yes, I know, thank you. Wow, I really have got green on me. That's too leaky. So about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 5 of green.
But the green is very leaky.
Oh, yes it is, Ben. But I've got to... Maybe I could just put the green thing in 5 times. Yeah, this has a hole in it somewhere.
Daddy, the one has a hole in it somewhere.
The green dots are a bit bigger because it's leaky. And now, I'm going to give it a stir.
There's something for me to do.
Already, that just looks like a bit of graffiti. And now,
But is there something for me?
now we get this. And Ben, can you pour this mixture into there?
Okay.
Whoa, now that kind of looks cool, doesn't it? So it's supposed to go down and come back up again and explode and then swirl down. But maybe a little bit more oil. Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit more oil in, just see if it perks up a bit.
Wow.
Well, at least we saw that cool bit when I poured the oil in, so it went down and up. But this isn't very good.
Is it time?
Not what my surprising brain was expecting.
Not very good.
Oh no, I put the green on the table. It's the end of the world. I'm not joking. It actually is. Right, so that wasn't very impressive. Yeah. Not very impressive. And yeah, although if you look very closely, you can actually see in the oil it looks very... I forgot to put the paper behind it. I'll just have a quick look, see if it looks any better. No better. See?
Oh.
No better, is it? Rhetorical question.
Hey.
So, bye-bye.
Goodbye.
And I would say this is not recommended now. I've done 3, not been very good. Bye-bye.